Hello everyone and welcome back. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year to all of you. Wishing you all happiness and success in this year. In this video, I'm gonna start with Microsoft Word 2019. This video, of course, will be for General Education Department and the Translation Department in Jihan University, Erbil. And of course, anybody can watch this video and take useful from this video. So let's start directly with Microsoft Word. First of all, we say, like we explained before with Windows, we say first thing we need to create a Word file in order to answer questions inside Word file. So we need to create Word file in the E or D drives, that's C or desktop for the students, I mean. So first of all, I want to create a Word file by my name. So I can go to this PC here, or maybe you can find it here, or you can just search to find this PC. So you can access it from anywhere. Now I have to access the PC, the icon of the computer. Then I have E drive or F drive. So maybe in F drive. So I can go here and then right click to create a folder by my name. So I can create a folder, right click new and then folder. Here I have to write my name. After that, inside the folder, you can create a Word file. So just access the folder by double click and then right click new and create a new Microsoft Word document. Of course, you need to install Microsoft Word in your computer or the Microsoft Office package in your computer. Now I have to open the Microsoft Word. Only double click on it, left click, and then you can open the Microsoft Word. And this way, this is the Microsoft Word. Of course, we can just from here. I need to see all the items or components. You can just from here you can find everything, and you can just make this fix it. So just by click here, or you can just remove it like this from here, or just make it fix it like this at the top. I mean. So first thing we have here is called like a quick access menu. Here, if you just click on it here, custom quick access toolbar. So this one here called quick access toolbar. So you can customize quick access toolbar by from here, just click here and you can customize. For example, I want to add by default we have only the save button to save the document and redo and undo here. So we can add another thing. For example, I want to add the quick print, so I add it here. I wanted to add more commands from here, or just anything you want, like new, for example. So I just add it. So you can just customize it from here. This is called like I told you, quick access toolbar. You can show below the ribbon here. This here all called ribbon. So you can just show it below the ribbon here. Show below the ribbon, so you can find it here, the quick access toolbar, or just above the ribbon. Again, show below the ribbon and above the ribbon. So this one here, all this here at the header at the top called ribbon. In the ribbon we have here like a commands here, or we can say not commands here, like a, a toolbar or something like that. So we have file, we have home, we have insert, draw, and so on. And inside each one, like here, like a category, like home category, we have many commands here or many groups here, like clipboard group here contain copy, paste, format painter, and so on. Font group here we have many commands or many items like make it bold, change the size of the font, color of the font, and so on. Here like paragraph group, so we have to alignment to the middle, to the left, right, and so on. Here we have also style and so on. So we have home, we have insert. I will explain each one later. But now we have the first thing, we have files, also very important. When you click in the file here, we have many things. First thing in the home, it's just this home. You can create a new document, a new file. So we have like templates here. Like I need this template, so you can just click on it to open a new template here. Or of course, if you are connected with the internet, you can search online for a template. Like here, you need to create a CV or resume. You can just click here to create this one, you need internet connection, and it will download and install the like template here. So you can here just add your name and edit this template, so you don't need to start from zero. But now we need to start from zero, so just from file again and new, or just from here, just go to blank document, or you can say new here, and you can find any documents from here, or just templates from here, anything you want just from here. Or you can just, like we want now, is just to create a blank blank document, which is empty document to start with. Now open, if you already have a document in your computer, for example, you can open this document. So for example, here I have many documents I have used before, or I can just browse here by open and browse. So it will browse or searching for document word in your computer, inside your computer. So for example, I need from E drive, from desktop, here just go to desktop, so you can find many files, or just go to PC, and then I need to go to, for example, to E drive, and try to find any Word document if I have. Maybe I don't have now, so I try in F drive, CK, and then maybe I have here some files. And here, for example, yes, I have this document, Word document, so I can just double click to open it. Now I open this document. Or from here, this for open, as I told you. Here you can find some information about your document, like you can protect the document. This is important here, all information here, the size, the pages, words, and so on. But here, for example, to protect the document, you can add a password to your document. So you can just from here click, you have many choices to protect your document. Then here you have the important one is encrypt with password. So you can add the password here. So I can add any password, for example, 123, any password, and then okay. After that, re-enter the password 123 again, and then okay. Now my file is protected here. If I close this file and then open it again, I need to write a password in order to edit the file. So nobody have permission to edit my file except the person who has the password. Now save, we have save and save as. It's important, but the difference between save and save as is important not only with the Word but all Microsoft Office programs. So save is just save the file in the current location. For example, my file now I have created, if you remember at the first time, I've created my file here inside PC and then F drive. After that, I've created folder by my name, Musa Muhammad Ahmad, and then create this file. So if I say save, I will save this file in this place, in the same place here. So for example, if I write something here, for example, document, and then from here, file, after that, just press save. Now I only save the file here. If I just close the file from here, and then return back to the location, the original location of my file, this file, and just double click on it. Now I open the file, my file. So now I open this file. I can add a password here again because I delete the password. So I can add it from here, info, and then protect file with password, encrypt with password. Then I can add here 123. After that again 123. Then okay. Now if I say save and save the file and then close it. After that open it again. Now I save the file in the current location. Now I have to write 123 the password. Maybe if I add a wrong password, now it's wrong. So just say this password is incorrect. So I cannot edit the file. I need again to open it again and then try the password again to write the correct password. Now here just 123. That's the correct password. Now I can edit the file. So I just save the file in the same location. That's important. Now what about save as? Save as, I can save the file in the different location if I want, with the different name and with the different even extension. I mean what? I mean I can save the file not like a Word file, not document file, but as a PDF file if you want. So here save as, click here, and then you can browse when we want or when you want to save your file. So just click here in the browse. Now I can't change the name of my file. So yes, of course I can do that. For example, I will add my name in this file. I will add the name, so change the name of my file. From here, you can change the type of your file as well. So, for example, this docs, or which is this extension for the Word document, I can make it, for example, PDF. So click on PDF if you want. Then you can change the location. The current location is here, F and Osama. I can go to this PC again and save it in the desktop, for example. So just go to the desktop, or you can from here as well. You can go to the desktop and save it in the desktop. Now I save this file in the desktop. Just say yes. I save this file in the desktop as a PDF file, not as a Word file. So PDF file, so you cannot edit the PDF file. So here, if you just return back, now you can see in the uh, desktop, I saved this file as a PDF file, not as a Word file. Return back again. So here, what's the difference between save and save as? In the save, just save the file in the same location with the same name, and the save as, save the file with a different location with a different name, and even with a different extension. So you can change the type of the file as well. Print here also important. If you have a printer, if your computer connected to the printer, so you can print the file. So here I can select how many copies of this paper I need. So for example, I need three copies. Here you can select which printer you want to use. Maybe your computer connected with more than one printer. Here print all pages you need, all pages in the document, or maybe you need just current page, or just the pages from something to something, or just write the pages here. Here print on one side or both, two side manually. Here you can add the size of the paper you have to use to print your file. So like this letter, you have to add I4, I3, I5. You can just select, change that from here. Margin, just the margin here. I will explain that later, but here you can change the margin. You can see here this margin, this margin. One page per sheet. Every page have one page for every physical page contain one page, or maybe more than one page, like this, two pages in every sheet. So you can change that from here, and then after that just click print. So if you have printer, your Word file will print it using here. Share, you can share your file, especially with email, online, share with people. You can save it to the cloud, and so on. Export, so you can export the file as a PDF. We said that in the save as, also you can save the file as a PDF. Here is like another way to do that. Export, and then just create a PDF, and then select the name of the PDF, select the location of the PDF like in the desktop if you want, and then publish. After that, yes, now I have this file as a PDF file. So this everything about here. After that you can close. So in the next lecture, we will start with home. Now we have explained everything about file. Next lecture, we will start with home, and we'll try to explain everything here in the home here. So I hope you understand that, and thank you very much.